Nuremberg is one of Germany's most fascinating cities, where centuries of history and culture meet a vibrant modern atmosphere. Located in the heart of Bavaria, it has long been a hub of trade, craftsmanship, and innovation. Its story stretches back to the Middle Ages, when it rose to prominence as a free imperial city of the Holy Roman Empire. The city became known for its powerful fortifications, bustling markets, and as a place where emperors held great gatherings and proclaimed important laws. Nuremberg was also a center of art and humanist thought, with figures like Albrecht Dürer, one of the greatest Renaissance painters and printmakers, calling it home. The city's skyline is dominated by the mighty Nuremberg Castle, a symbol of its medieval strength and one of the most important imperial palaces of its time. Walking through the old town feels like stepping into a living museum, with half-timbered houses, cobbled streets, and beautifully preserved buildings that tell stories from different centuries. The Hauptmarkt, the main market square, is famous for its lively stalls and for being the setting of the Christkindlesmarkt, one of the oldest and most magical Christmas markets in the world. Nearby stand the Frauenkirche, a Gothic masterpiece, and the impressive Schöner Brunnen fountain, adorned with colorful figures symbolizing the ideals of the Holy Roman Empire. Nuremberg is also remembered for its more recent history. During the 20th century, it became closely associated with the events of World War II and the Nuremberg trials, where leading figures of the Nazi regime were held accountable for their crimes. Today, sites such as the Documentation Center and the Palace of Justice offer powerful reminders and educational experiences about this chapter of history. For art and culture lovers, the Germanisches National Museum is a treasure trove of artifacts, showcasing the richness of German art and history from prehistoric times to the present day. Albrecht Dürer's house, preserved in the Old Town, allows visitors to step into the world of the famous artist and see how he lived and worked. The city is also known for its culinary traditions. Nuremberg sausages, small and flavorful, are a local specialty best enjoyed with sauerkraut or potato salad, while the city's gingerbread, or Lebkuchen, has been a festive treat for centuries. Beer culture is deeply rooted here too, and traditional beer cellars beneath the Old Town provide a unique setting to taste local brews. For those seeking a more relaxed experience, a stroll along the Pegnitz River offers peaceful views of bridges, towers, and the greenery that winds its way through the city. The Tiergarten, Nuremberg's zoo, is another highlight. Set within a large wooded area and home to a wide variety of animals and spacious enclosures. Modern Nuremberg is a city of festivals, music, and vibrant life. It hosts open-air concerts, cultural events, and trade fairs that draw visitors from across the world. Yet despite its modern energy, the city retains an intimate charm, where every corner reveals traces of the past and every square echoes with tradition. Nuremberg is a place where history and heritage blend seamlessly with culture and creativity, offering something for everyone. Whether you are interested in exploring medieval castles, enjoying traditional food, immersing yourself in art, or reflecting on the lessons of history, it is a city that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.